Today, I'll show you how to check your voicemail on T-Mobile. Whether you're expecting an important message or just want to clear out your inbox, accessing your voicemail is simple and straightforward. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your phone's dialer or phone app. This is the same app you use to make calls. Once you've got it open, you'll want to press and hold the number 1 key. This is a quick shortcut to call your voicemail directly. Now, if this is your first time or if your voicemail is password protected, you might be prompted to enter your voicemail password. This step is crucial to ensure your messages are secure and only accessible by you. If you've set up a password before, go ahead and enter it when prompted. If you haven't set one up yet or can't remember it, you might need to reset it through T-Mobile's website or customer service. Once you're in, you'll hear audio instructions guiding you through your options. You'll be able to listen to your messages, save ones that are important, or delete those you no longer need. Make sure to pay attention to these prompts, as they will help you manage your voicemail efficiently. Now, if for some reason pressing the 1 key doesn't work or you're having trouble accessing your voicemail this way, don't worry, there's another method you can try. Simply call your own phone number. This might seem a bit unconventional, but it connects you directly to your voicemail, allowing you to access and manage your messages just as easily. Once you're connected, you'll find that managing your messages is simple. You can scroll through them, listen, save, or delete as needed. It's all about staying organized and ensuring you don't miss anything important. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to check your voicemail on T-Mobile. Remember, keeping on top of your voicemail can help you stay connected and ensure you don't miss any important updates. Whether you're at work, on the go, or relaxing at home, checking your voicemail is just a few simple steps away. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. See you next time.